Assalamualaikum dear students, it's me Ms. Jahanara. So let's talk about today's topic. So today's topic is respect for mosque. Okay, what you will do, your task is just to write a paragraph about respect for mosque. Just take help from page number 59. Okay, and you can take help from internet too. What you will do, just write respect for mosque. Okay, and then come on next topic. Next thing, what you will do here, you will write the pillars of salah, the pillars of namaz on color paper as it is written here. What you will do, just take color paper and write these all pillars of salah and then paste it in your copy. Okay, this is your task. There are 7 pillars of salah. Okay, so you will just write 7 pillars. All right, so let's come on next thing. So here you will just write salah and its condition. What are the conditions of salah? Okay, you will write these all things on color paper. Okay, see, you can take help from this page. Is number 61. You will just write these all, okay, these all conditions of salah on color paper, and at the end just paste it in your copy.